Hi, my name is Jeff Morase, and I work in VMware Solutions Marketing, focused on the education vertical. Today I'll be giving an overview of our secure online testing solution. So what are the major trends in US K-12 schools? Probably the one trend that is top of mind among all school districts is addressing the requirements for state assessments. The Common Core State Standards Initiative has really brought this to the forefront in its efforts to level set expectations for academic performance, both within states and between different states. As you may know, there are two major state consortiums who are driving the implementation of Common Core among their member states. They are PARC, which selected the use of the online testing platform from Pearson, and Smarter Balanced, which selected the online testing platform from the American Institutes for Research. Each of these consortiums have set forth specific security and technical requirements to ensure the integrity of state assessments. So what does this mean for IT? They have to have the resources to administer the tests multiple times a year. They also have to comply with the security guidelines set forth by their respective state consortium. They have to be able to roll out testing multiple times a year during a specific testing window without disrupting curriculum. They also need to ensure that the test environment stays up while administering the test. And they need to ensure that enough test stations are available to meet their needs. So what if you could solve these challenges? What if you could comply with the security and technical requirements set forth by the state consortiums? What if you could easily roll out the test environment when needed? What if you could ensure that you had enough test stations available for students? So to help solve these challenges, VMware has developed the Secure Online Testing solution. We've worked closely with leading online testing vendors to ensure that our solution meets their performance and technical requirements. With the Secure Online Testing solution, IT can roll out online test applications very easily by just updating a golden image and making it available to all test takers. From a security perspective, tests can be taken using zero clients, which are locked down so test takers don't have access to other applications or environments. In addition, test stations can easily be converted back and forth between test environments and general computer labs. Also, you can ensure high availability of the test environment, and if a test station fails, it's easy to get a new one up and running. And as far as test station availability, instead of taking computer time away from other non-test takers, the non-test takers can use repurposed old computers or other devices to access the application resources they need. As you may know, these tests are no longer fill in the bubble with a number 2 pencil. They're much more interactive and require dragging and dropping, and also include multimedia such as audio and video. So as mentioned previously, we talked about how VMware has worked closely with online testing vendors to ensure compliance and performance. So we're happy to be officially TestNav qualified as a result of months of rigorous testing. In addition to Pearson, we've also certified our solution with the American Institutes for Research. We similarly completed a rigorous batch of testing with them to ensure performance and security. Next, let's walk you through different scenarios that help illustrate the use cases of the VMware Secure Online Testing solution. So here's Jim, the school district IT director. He's preparing to deliver online assessments the next day to 5,000 students. No problem. Jim can simply log into VMware and update a single golden image with the appropriate testing browser and make that image available to all test stations. Next, during online testing, Jim can monitor the performance of the virtual desktops from the comfort of his office. He doesn't have to worry about security since test takers are using zero clients that have been certified with his online testing vendor. He also has a high availability environment, so no worries about system failure. At the end of testing, Jim can log back into VMware and switch the testing image back to the general computer lab image and make that available to students for use the next day. Easy. Now let's look at a customer using the Secure Online Testing solution. Aledo ISD is in Texas, which is not a state participating in the Common Core, but does use Pearson as its online test delivery system. They were having challenges around managing thousands of standalone desktops across the 9 campuses that they serve. They deployed the VMware Secure Online Testing solution and now are better able to manage online tests and better allocate resources where needed. So to sum up, VMware has worked closely with the 2 leading online testing vendors in the US to ensure that their test delivery platform performs seamlessly using VMware virtual desktops. The VMware Secure Online Testing solution eases rollout of tests and minimizes disruption of existing curriculum. For further information, visit us on the web.